Hi everybody, I'm Shanna, your photo book master. Today I would like to talk to you about creating guest book / photo books. These are a great way to combine your engagement photos or other precious photo memories with handwritten notes from people who attend your wedding. Let's get started. Now the first step in any photo book project is to gather your photos into one location. If you have had a professional engagement photo shoot done, this is super easy for you. You have one flash drive with all your photos, or you have one download link, you have one folder, you have one place for all your photos. If you did not do professional photos for engagement, that is completely fine. You can use photos you have from your relationship together. What you'll need to do now, though, is put all the photos you would like to include in one location. If they're on your phone, make a folder. If they're on your computer, make a folder. If you have printed photos, gather them together so they can be scanned and digitized. Gather, all in one place. Now the second step is to choose your photo book style. In my opinion, for a guest book, you will want to do lay flat pages. That means you will need to choose a hardcover style, not the soft cover. And then from there, you can choose either standard pages or lay flat pages. If you choose the lay flat, it's going to be a lot easier for people to sign your book and write in your book, and also gives you more options as far as spreading your great engagement photos across the two pages so that you can see the entire photo. Now, sites like Mixbook, Picto, Shutterfly, Blurb, whatever site you really love to use, most of them have templates set up for guest books already. Go through those and see if any interest you. If there are none that you really love, go ahead and choose a different template, a style that you like, the colors and the embellishments, and a style that speaks to you, and we can adapt it and change it from there. But if you're looking for an easy drag and drop, most of them do have guest book templates set up. Designing your layouts. When you put your layouts together for a guest book, you do want to leave white space for people to sign, although you don't need too much white space. You don't need white space on every page, or you don't need a full page on every spread. Maybe it works to do every other spread or every third spread, but you certainly don't need it on every page. I'll show you a few samples from this book. Opening page, and then right away a proposal photo. Now this says love and laughter. You can write text, you don't have to write text. Full photos, a little bit more white space, a bigger page with white space. Now this photo allows for its own white space. I didn't have to leave anything extra on the page. People may write there, they may not. It's okay. It adds some flexibility. Some full photos. You get the idea. Mix it up. Certainly you don't need white space on every single layout. Should you add text? I touched on this slightly a second ago. You can add text to those white space areas, but you certainly do not have to. In this book, there are a few little headings added, such as love and laughter, blessings, thank you for being here with us. If you don't want to, that is completely fine. Now, just like every other photo book project, before you hit that print button, you want to review it from start to finish. Just take a good look from page 1 all the way to the end. Make sure you have left white space. Make sure you haven't used the same photo more than once. Just take a good look. Keep consistent with your fonts, with your colors, with your font sizes, also with any effects such as drop shadows or borders, etc. If you're using those on pages, keep them consistent across all pages. I hope this helps. It is a great way to capture all of your memories in one tidy book. Also a fantastic gift idea. If there's somebody in your life who you know is getting married and you need a wedding gift or a shower gift, go ahead and let them know, hey, if you share your engagement photos with me, I'll have a book made for you that you can use as a guest book at your wedding. Fantastic gift idea. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe, follow along for all our other tips and tutorials.